In front of me is BLUBOO S8, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on the following device. So the first step is to enter the settings, then find and pick accessibility, and now just click on Talkback. So if you'd like to activate Talkback, just tap on the settings, on this icon, and then tap on OK to confirm it. Now Talkback is active. Here we've got a tutorial, but let me go back.
Talkback tutorial.
And if you will mark it,
button.
you will be aware of
when Talkback
everything
is on,
regarding
your device
Talkback.
provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you have turned Talkback on accidentally, turn it off by tapping the switch until the green outline is around it, then double tapping it. Do the same interaction for the resulting confirmation dialog.
And this is it. So basically all you have to do is to mark some icon.
Back button.
Now you'll be provided
Double
with
tap to
feedback.
activate, double tap and hold to long press.
Then double tap.
Accessibility.
And then if you'd like to switch Talkback off, just mark it again.
Talkback.
Double tap to select.
Talkback.
Mark the indicator and then deactivate it by tapping
Stop
twice on it.
Talkback.
Tap on OK.
OK button.
Click 2 times and that's it. So basically that is all. This is how you're going to use Talkback in your BLUBOO S8. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.